If you've never been to Trinidad Carnival, let me take you there for a moment. Close your eyes because what you're about to hear is more than a festival, more than a trip, more than 2 days in a costume. It's a feeling that starts the moment you land and stays with you long after your flight home touches down. This is Trinidad Carnival. The first thing you feel is the warmth, literal warmth from the Caribbean sun, yes, but also the warmth of the people who welcome you like family. The airport is alive. You hear laughter, accents from all over the world, and that familiar heartbeat of soca music echoing somewhere in the distance. Trinidad transforms during carnival season. It becomes a world within a world, alive, expressive, electric. And even though everyone talks about Carnival Monday and Tuesday, that's just the surface. That's just the crown of something much bigger. Let me show you the rest. Your first real taste of carnival magic might happen at Panorama. Imagine standing under the night sky while dozens of steel pan orchestras pour their souls into their music. The sound isn't just heard, it's felt. It vibrates through your chest, through your bones, through your spirit. This is the heartbeat of Trinidad. Generations of culture right in front of you. Then there's Soca Monarch, a stadium full of people, all waiting for that one moment the artist steps on stage, and when the music drops, confetti, fireworks, thousands of people singing the same soca song with the same joy. It's the kind of moment that makes you forget everything else happening in your life. Pure freedom. And if you really want to smile, go to Kitty's Carnival. Watching the children cross the stage, little feathers, tiny costumes, their confidence shining, it reminds you what Carnival really is. A celebration of culture passed down with pride. The future of Carnival is right there, sparkling and laughing. But then there's Juve. Juve is something you can't describe. You can only live it. It starts when the rest of the world is asleep. The darkness, the drums, the rhythm of the music calling everybody to the streets. Mud, paint, powder everywhere. Strangers becoming friends instantly. It's messy, it's wild, it's freeing, and somehow it becomes one of the purest spiritual experiences you ever have. In that moment, covered in color and surrounded by energy, you feel reborn. If you're watching this and feeling even an ounce of, wow, I want to experience that, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my carnival guides, stories, and planning tips. I help you experience Trinidad Carnival the right way, with confidence, excitement, and zero confusion. Because everything, every fete, every event, every sleepless night leads up to the main reason you came, Mass. Carnival Monday is your warm up. The streets become a sea of color and beautiful faces. Music trucks roll slowly, pulling the crowd with them like a magnetic force. Every corner you turn, there's someone laughing, dancing, living their best life without apology. Then comes Carnival Tuesday, the day you've been imagining since the moment you booked your ticket. You put on your costume, you take a deep breath, you look in the mirror and see a version of yourself that feels absolutely unstoppable, confident, radiant, bold. And when you step onto the road, it's like stepping into another universe. The sun hits your feathers, the music is loud, but somehow you hear every note clearly. The streets feel alive beneath your feet. Everywhere you look, beauty, color, movement, joy. You dance until you forget you're even dancing. You laugh until your stomach hurts. You feel free in a way that's impossible to explain unless you felt it yourself. This is why people come back year after year. This is why Trinidad Carnival changes people. And as the memories settle, I want you to know this. Trinidad Carnival isn't something you just attend. It's something you live, something you carry with you, something that calls you back. So if you're ready to experience this for yourself, make sure you subscribe and explore the rest of my Carnival videos to help you plan your trip like a pro. And when you're ready to look flawless on the road, my team and I are here to give you the Carnival makeup experience of your dreams. This is Trinidad Carnival, and trust me, once you come, you'll never be the same.